In this lesson, we're going to be talking about what jQuery Mobile is and who uses it. So jQuery Mobile is a themable user interface HTML5 based framework built for compatibility with all the major mobile platforms. Now that's kind of a mouthful. In other words, you can use jQuery Mobile to build an app that works on iOS devices, Android devices, and many more. It comes built in with themes, and it gives you a nice pretty user interface. And it does all of this using nothing more than the web stack. That's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example of a page made with jQuery Mobile. Now this is jQueryMobile.com. If you click on Docs, this is the documentation page, and it gives you all the information you need to know about jQuery Mobile. This page itself was built in jQuery Mobile. So if I click on Pages and Dialogues, it fades over to this page. And if I click on Anatomy of a Page, it fades over to this page. And all of this is built using jQuery Mobile. jQuery Mobile comes with these little icons. It comes with color themes, and it allows you to configure them. And it creates a nice Ajax-based navigation system. If you watch the URL bar as I click around, you can see that it changes the path. Now you may notice that we're not getting the flickering. We're getting a fading, but we're not getting a flickering. The flickering we usually get when we navigate to another page entirely. In this case, jQuery Mobile is using Ajax to pull in pages that it wants to load. Now all of this is done pretty much behind the scenes, and you as the developer don't need to worry too much about it. Let's also run down the features list of jQuery Mobile. First of all, it's built on jQuery Core. This means that you can use jQuery in your entire app however you would like to, because jQuery Mobile depends on jQuery. Therefore, jQuery has to be there. This framework has a lot of compatibility. It's relatively lightweight. It's relatively modular, which means that you can create a build of jQuery Mobile that only has the pieces you need. It's built with progressive enhancement. This means that browsers that don't support certain features will get a degraded experience, but they'll still get an experience. jQuery Mobile is also built with accessibility in mind, and it's also, of course, being a mobile framework, built with touch events in mind, not just mouse events. It also gives us some nice widgets, and it gives us a nice theming framework. Now we talk about all of these different things in various movies throughout this training. So in a nutshell, that's what jQuery Mobile is. Now who uses it? Typically jQuery Mobile is used by web developers who want to build a nice, cohesive mobile experience. Part of the reason it's so popular is how easy it is to get up and running. And you'll see that firsthand as you go through these videos. Because it has such a shallow learning curve, it's used by amateur web developers, but at the same time, because it has such a comprehensive feature set, it's also used by seasoned veterans of the web world, if you will. So that concludes this lesson.